Hi, and welcome back to Hook Eat Up. Today we're making a simple condiment, mango salsa. I'm going to be using it in shrimp tacos, but you can use it in whatever you want. Here's how you make it. So for our ingredients, we're going to need 1 lime, a jalapeno pepper, 1 ripe tomato, 1 ripe mango, half of a sweet onion, and a few sprigs of cilantro. So the first thing I'm going to get going on is the mango. Now for a ripe mango, you want to make sure that it's soft to the touch, but not mushy. Shave it off the seed. Just keep cutting to get all that meat. Now that I have my mango peeled, I'm cutting it into strips that are about 1/4 inch thick. Like little mango french fries. Now that I have all the strips cut, I'm dicing the mangoes down to 1/4 inch. Now that the mangoes are all diced, into the bowl. Next up is the tomato. The way I dice my tomatoes is I'll take half of the tomato, cut it into about 1/4 inch slices like this, then turn it the other way. Now, tomatoes in. Next up, the onion. I'm going to cut this in half. So now we're just going to cut across the cross-hatched lines in the onion. We get all these nice diced pieces. Onions in. Next up is our jalapeno. What you want to do is roll this around to get all the seeds loose. Chop the top off. Try to get as many of the seeds out as possible. Okay. Now the majority of the heat in a jalapeno is in the seeds. So if you want your salsa to be a little more spicy, what you could do is just leave those seeds in and it's going to be raging hot. So now I'm cutting these jalapenos into strips and I'm going to cut them against the strip to dice them up. I'm going to try to chop these up a little more fine, just so there's a little jalapeno in every bite. Okay. And goes the jalapeno. Next up, I'm grabbing my cilantro. I'm just going to give this a good rough chop. Now I'm big on the flavor of cilantro. I like it, I feel it's loud and bright. So I put a lot in. If you want less cilantro, you could just use it as you'd like. That's the cool thing about salsa is you just make it the way that you want. Cilantro goes in. Now the last thing to go in is my lime juice. So I'm gonna just squeeze 1 lime over this. Now that I have all the ingredients chopped and into the bowl, I'm just going to salt and pepper to taste. And give it a nice stir. Now if you want to make this really spicy, you could add some pepper sauce to it. But I'm just going to give this a stir, let it sit for about an hour, and enjoy. Now the salt is going to help bring the water out of the onions and the tomatoes and help give this a more saucy consistency. And there you have it, homemade mango salsa. Now I want to know how you guys at home are using this salsa dish in your own recipes, so give me some ideas in the comments below. Now if you're not already a subscriber to my channel, please be sure to subscribe so you get more videos just like this. And if you want to see how I'm using this mango salsa recipe in one of my own dishes, stay tuned or watch this video for shrimp tacos. Thank you for visiting Hook Eat Up. Take care.